Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our quiz problem here. It has to do with the order of operations. I know your favorite topic. So we want to simplify the expression using order of operations, and here is our expression. Nice and easy problem. Hopefully you had a chance to do it. If not, you might want to pause the video and see if you can do it now. Okay, let's take a look at our solution. And I love to talk about the order of operations because it's one of these things that that seem very easy to students, but they often mess it up. Okay, so and it causes a lot of problems in their work because they're later on, and let's say you're taking algebra, you're doing algebra problems and you don't understand where you're getting things wrong. It might very well be because you haven't really mastered the order of operations. So let's go ahead and give the order of operations its due respect, okay, and really make sure that we focus in and master it. So just like the name applies, it's the order of operations. And remember, in math, operations are things that we can do with numbers. So we can multiply numbers, divide numbers, add them, subtract them, take the powers of them. Okay, so these are different things that we can do with numbers, and these are called operators or operations. So the order of operations is telling us what to do first. Do we multiply first, then add first, etc. And you can see down here I have this phrase, PEMDAS, and you should be familiar with that. This is, in fact, the order that we want to take to do these operations. So the P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents or powers, M is multiplication, D is division, A is addition, subtraction, and we're going to do this from left to right. So I don't want to turn this into a full lesson on order of operations, but it's extremely important that you master this and fully understand how to work these problems. All right, let's get to our solution here. So we have 3 times 12 minus 8 divided by 2. Okay, so what are we going to do first? Well, the orders is asking us to look. Are there any parentheses? No. Are there any exponents or powers? No. Okay. Is there any multiplication or division? Yes. Okay. So what we want to do is do the first multiplication or division problem we see from left to right, and that is this part right here. Okay, so we're going to do that first. So it's going to be 3 times 12 is 36. So we have 36 minus 8 divided by 2. So this is our new problem, if you will. So then we're going to go through our checklist again. So is there any powers, or excuse me, any parentheses? No. Any powers? No. Any more multiplication? No. But is there division? Yes. Okay. There's multiplication. There's not multiplication, but there is division. So we're going to do that as we see it from left to right. And clearly, this is our division part right here. So we end up with 36 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so 36 minus the result of doing the division, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and now this is our new problem. And that's pretty straightforward. If you go through our checklist again, we see that the only thing we have left to do is subtraction. And when we subtract 4 from 36, we end up with 32. All right, so hopefully you got that right, and probably a lot of students could get this right, but I really want to make sure you understand why, in fact, you did get it right. There wasn't just kind of a lucky guess, all right, that you do indeed understand the order of operations. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed that quiz. If you want to take more math pop quizzes with me, especially if you're a homeschooler, please join me at homeschoolmathquiz.com. I would love to see you there. Have a great day.